Hi everyone, welcome to Suni's Cuisine. Sunila here. Today I'm making chocolate cookies with multigrain powder. If you don't have an oven, don't worry, I'll show you how to bake cookies in pan and also in oven. Ingredients for the cookie dough: 1.5 cup multigrain powder. I have used Freshey's multigrain powder. Half cup cocoa powder. I have used Hershey's cocoa powder. 1.25 cup powdered brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, use the regular sugar. 1/4 cup choco chips, and it's optional. And I have used Baker's choco chips. Half cup butter. I used Amul butter. That's almost 100 gram. Half teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. 2 eggs. If you are a vegetarian, you can use milk 6 tablespoons instead of eggs. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. I have taken a large bowl, adding half cup soft salted butter. I'm mixing the butter using electric beater. If you don't have electric beater, use the hand mixer. Now the butter is fluffy. Now I'm adding the powdered brown sugar and mixing it. Now break the egg, beat it. Now it's time to add vanilla essence. Add multigrain powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda into the strainer and sift the flour into the butter mix. Mix everything together. It's time to add choco chips. Mix it again. Knead the dough softly using your hand. If your dough is not tight enough, add 1 or 2 tablespoons maida into the mix and mix it. If it is too tight, add 1 or 2 tablespoons milk and mix it. Now the dough is ready. Close the lid and keep it for 30 minutes. Meantime, I'm placing a butter paper on my tray for baking. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees centigrade. Take a ball-sized dough. Roll it in your palm. Press and shape it. Make all the cookies like this. Now it's time to bake. I'm keeping few cookies in a cupcake tray. You can use steel plate also. If you are using steel plates, place butter paper inside the plate so that the cookies won't stick on the plate. So I'm brushing butter inside the tray before placing the cookies. So now I'm placing few choco chips for decoration. Now it's ready to bake. Bake at 180 degree centigrade for 15 minutes. Now I'll show you how to bake on a stove top. Take a pan which has a thick bottom and a tight lid. The pan should have a proper height so that you can keep the stand and the plate inside. Now open the lid and place the cookie tray on the stand and close the lid. Bake for 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, open the lid. Our cookies are ready to take out. Delicious, healthy chocolate cookies are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.